In this video, I'll show you where to find promo codes for Namecheap. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, for this demonstration, I'm going to head on over to Google. Once I'm inside Google, in the search box here, I'm going to type in Namecheap promo codes. Then I'm going to hit search, and then we're brought to the Google search results. So if we scroll down, we'll see a few third-party sites offering promo codes. So we got Coupon Follow, that is offering up to 80% off. We got Groupon.com, 50% off. We got Real Tell Me Not. So you can use any one of these sites to find promo code deals, but the one I like to use is from couponfollow.com. So I'm just going to head it over to their website, and as you can see, if I scroll down on their site, they've got other promo codes deals. So they got 80% off, take 30% off your purchase, 47% off, etc, etc. These codes do change daily, weekly, monthly, so be sure to check them out at a later date. And another side note, they do expire at a certain time. So if one code has expired, just move on to the next one. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use this one that is up to 80% off domains. And if we want to activate this coupon code, what we just want to do is click on copy and then paste this code at the checkout section of Namecheap to enjoy your 80% off your domain purchase.